Hey, future millionaires! My name is Isabella and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. In case you don't already know, AI is the biggest opportunity of our generation. When the internet exploded, the people who launched websites, blogs, and e-com stores blew up and got rich. As social media continues to take off, who's getting rich? The people that are building audiences. Even in crypto and NFT, the early adopters made millions. Way before people even understood what was actually happening. AI is that next wave. But this time, it's faster, smarter, and 10 times more accessible for everybody to get their hands on and to use. The only difference between these people and you that are succeeding with making money online with using AI is just the fact that they're jumping into these very simple things and taking action, not overthinking it, not trying to be perfect. They're just getting started on something. And you guys know too, I have done so many different online business models, and the most simple ones is what made me a millionaire. It wasn't me thinking of this life-changing, crazy product or crazy thing. It was just something very simple. And what is so cool about AI is it just helps us move quicker, helps us build things faster, and it helps us gain knowledge faster. It's not something you should be intimidated by. It's something that you should be taking advantage of. You guys know I became a millionaire from online business and social media from scratch with $0 while I was literally working a 9-to-5 and going to school all by myself. I can tell you that if I had AI in the beginning of my journey, I would have gotten to where I am today 3 times faster. But you guys need to just know how to actually use it and how to actually do that, which I'm gonna show you today. And not to mention, guys, look at these statistics. The global AI market is projected to hit 1.8 trillion by 2030. Over 77% of businesses are already using or exploring AI to automate their operations. And AI is expected to boost global productivity over 40% across every single industry. This isn't hype, this is happening right now. And those that move early into this now will build wealth that lasts for decades. And that's exactly what has happened with me. I jumped on stuff, I saw the potential, I jumped on it, and then I'm literally living in a situation to where I get to literally live my life for a living, not have to worry about money. Even if I stopped like all my operations today, my investments would literally carry me through the rest of my life. Like that is so crazy. Like just from this online game, just from this, like it's just so crazy. So I really want you guys to get on this as well. And that's why you guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to start these 3 AI online business models that I believe have huge potential that I wish were this accessible when I first started. You can start these as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world and starting with little to no money. And these are also business models that you can grow long-term. We are not here for get rich quick schemes because stuff that you can make a lot of money with fast is not going to sustain you long-term, is not going to build you long-term wealth. So let's start talking about the business model #1, which is going to be digital products. Digital products are one of the best online business models today because you build them one time and then you continue to sell them over the next 5 to 10 years. So you don't just build a digital product, you actually build a digital asset that you own. Kind of like buying real estate, except nowadays in our generation, we can literally create our own assets out of nothing. And of course, you can write these from scratch. Maybe you have some knowledge on something, maybe you don't. You don't need to, because now there's AI tools that allow you to do this so much easier. For example, check out this one AI tool, Trend Assist AI. It actually helps you launch a profitable digital product without spending months building it. Trend Assist AI helps you catch trends, and it's so much more than that as well, because it's a full digital product and business builder that takes care of the entire process for you. You guys can see it literally helps you find exactly what's trending on the market. It helps you build your digital product from scratch, like ebooks, templates, printables, you name it. It even creates marketing content that you can use to start promoting and selling the product immediately. You can ask it, what's the best digital product to sell for me? And tell a little bit about you. It will give you a bunch of proven ideas ready to go. Then it literally writes the product for you. You can refine it and make it perfect all through the AI digital product writer here. You can pick one of the digital product templates in this section to get your professional looking digital product in minutes. And then you can use this Instagram assistant, which creates your social media posts, writes captions, ads, and your promotion scripts. So then you can launch it literally right away and start marketing also right away. So then you can get into this routine of you have your digital product, you can create more to continue to, bounce off of that same niche, which Trend Assist will help you find if you don't already have a niche. And then it helps you keep your organic marketing strategies going. So then you can just keep on driving in traffic and getting sales on that specific digital product without ever buying ads. This is exactly how I grew my businesses with organic marketing. I've never bought a single ad, so I know this is the most effective way to actually get up and going, especially if you're starting with little to no money. I put the links for everything I'm talking about today also, guys, in my description box below. You'll see Trend Assist AI there. I also put a link in there that I found a free digital product AI store builder for you guys. So if you guys want to launch your store with digital products, you can literally do that in minutes. It makes it for you for free, which usually people charge thousands of dollars for. So I put that link also down in my description box below for you guys. And of course, there's more to this online business model of digital products. You guys probably have questions. Well, guess what? I actually made an entire free course for you guys on my YouTube channel. So you can go over to my YouTube channel, go to that free course and get all of your questions answered. So I will also link that free course down in my description box below. Now we're on to business model number 2, which is AI niche stores. I don't know if you guys know this, but over 2.6 billion people shop online, and that is literally 33% of the global population, and that number is only gonna grow. This is your opportunity to get a piece of that with zero inventory on hand and zero shipping headaches. You can use this AI-powered online store tool that builds your store for you, stocks it with winning products, and automates shipping and fulfillment from day one. So you can start a full-fledged business in under 20 minutes using this. To get started with this, you're gonna first use this free AI store builder to build your store. And I put the link at the top of my description box for that. Once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. Just enter in your name, your email, choose your niche. You can do fashion, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or I'm not sure. Go through everything in this step-by-step process here. It will walk you through everything. And you're gonna come to this page where you'll sign up for Shopify. And if you use this link, you're gonna get 3 months for just $1 a month. They don't always have this promotion, so definitely make sure you create this store through here and then just complete the Shopify registration process. And in just minutes, you're gonna have a fully done for you store with trending products loaded into your store. So you can see that here and look how amazing this online store turned out. So you can start getting sales right away. We can see our products here, descriptions made, and everything is done for you, ready to go. And remember, you don't have to ship these products. It's completely automated and the supplier is gonna handle everything for you. All of these products were added through this one tool called AutoDS. And by going through the build your store flow here, you're gonna see AutoDS will pop up and you get AutoDS for the first 30 days for just $1. So you can see you are literally starting a full-fledged business here for just $2. That is insane. It's never been easier, guys. You used to have to take out business loans and do all this stuff. So anyways, let's talk about AutoDS. So AutoDS researches product data for you. It checks product profit margins. You can see competitors, spy on trending ads, automate pricing, and manage orders automatically. Plus, they have products with fast shipment, some in just 2 days, as you guys can see here, which is really insane because it can be hard to first find really good suppliers and products on your own, and 2, to find fast shipping time. So it's literally never been easier. You guys have no excuses. And also, you can also custom brand your products through their software if you want to level up later. And again, you can literally just sign up for AutoDS right through this flow, but I'll put the link in my description box below just in case. But it is easier to just do it through here so that it seamlessly connects to that store that you just built. And of course, there's more to this business model too, and I'm sure you guys have questions about this too. So of course, I made an entire free course about this, literally going into detail about every single thing that you need to be successful in this online business model. Even I go as far as how to actually help you to get sales, which a lot of people don't cover because they don't actually have experience in this business model. So if you haven't already, definitely go watch that video. And I know you're gonna learn lots. So definitely, I will put that free course for you guys down in my description box below. Business model number 3 is AI-powered freelance services. As you guys are studying my YouTube channel, and you're starting to learn about how to start online businesses, how to get sales, how to grow your social media presence, how to grow a business social media. After you're watching all these videos, right, you're gaining so much knowledge just by watching them. And you guys you're learning and knowing more than you actually think you know. You can start offering freelance services powered by AI. Even if you're not an expert yet, you just have to know the gist of it. So I put a list together for you guys. Here's some services you can offer. You can offer social media content creation. AI UGC is about to blow up right now, and I'm gonna make a free course for you guys this month on that. Email copywriting, website copy and blog posts, resumes and cover letters, logo or brand kits, basic web design, Also, even another good one is writing LinkedIn posts for people. A lot of times people don't have a presence on LinkedIn. Sometimes people have a presence on LinkedIn and they don't have a presence on Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest or wherever else you guys are learning on my YouTube channel. So you guys can literally be like plugging these in for other people. Like a lot of times people will just be on LinkedIn or just be on Instagram. For me, for example, I'm just now diving into LinkedIn. I never like really went on it. And it would be so nice to have someone to like write posts for me, you know? So like I'm constantly looking for that. This is my personal brand, for example. And you can even package these bundles to make more money to your clients. And of course, the tools that you can use for this, Trend Assist AI for catching trends and creating viral social media content, ChatGPT for writing content, Canva for graphics and brand kits. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own agency site, or you can master outreach yourself. I've hired a bunch of people just by people DMing me. And the internet world, guys, is so vast now. Like people just DM me on Instagram. They're like, hey, like I do this. And I'm like, oh, perfect. I need somebody for that. So like, you'd be so shocked as like people do check their DMs. And like I said, like how people are like living online nowadays, like how people are working online, living online, people need help as they're building their businesses, whether it's a brand, like an e-commerce store, one of my e-commerce stores, or like whether it's like me as like a personal brand. Like these are like the kinds of things you can look for. And a lot of times they're looking for people like yourself. So this is definitely something that you can eventually start yourself and build even an agency on going long term, especially just like the fact that like you just spend time like using ChatGPT, trying Trend Assist AI, trying AI store builders, like you just start gaining knowledge. And like obviously from like watching my YouTube videos, you start gaining so much knowledge from just like taking action, just like doing these things. And just by like, you know, watching my free courses about like social media and stuff like that, the more you know about the internet world that's continuing to grow, the more that you're going to be able to provide for other people that don't know. So it's really awesome. I mean, I love the internet world. I think it's so cool. It's changed my life so much financially, and it's just such a great opportunity for our generation. Like that's why it's just mind blowing to me every single time. So again, AI is such a cool opportunity. It helps us work so much faster, like I said. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I am just super passionate about it because like I said, it's really changed my life so much and I wanted to change yours too. So anyways, guys, everything that I talked about in this video today, I put down in my description box below for you guys if you guys want to try anything. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions or you want to talk about anything. I literally read through every single one of your comments and I try to respond to all of them. So if you have any questions or you want to share your wins or anything, let me know down in the comments below and I will be reading through all of them. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well at Batty and Biz, Batty and Biz for more business inspiration and updates. And if you guys haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe. It's all I ask in exchange for the free education and courses that I give you guys on my YouTube channel that people usually charge thousands of dollars for. Wishing you guys all the best in this era of AI, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.